Are you experiencing very high CPU usage, 100% disk usage, or excessive RAM consumption on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop? Does your system start lagging whenever you try to play games or run heavy applications? If that's happening, your computer is not only slowing down, but also generating extra heat due to high resource usage. The good news is that you can fix high memory, CPU, and disk usage without opening your laptop and without installing any third-party software. We're going to use simple built-in Windows troubleshooting steps to optimize performance and reduce system stress. The first step is to disable a background service called sysmain, which is also known as superfetch in some systems. To do this, right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc and press Enter. A new window will open showing all Windows services running in the background. Scroll down and look for sysmain. If you do not see sysmain, look for superfetch, as both are essentially the same service. Once you find it, right-click on it and click Stop. After that, right-click again, choose Properties, and change the startup type to Disabled. Then click Apply and OK. This service is designed to preload frequently used applications into memory so they open faster, but on many systems, especially those using HDDs, it causes very high disk and RAM usage. Disabling it will not harm your system, and in many cases, it significantly reduces CPU and disk activity. After completing that step, the next thing we need to do is adjust the visual performance settings. Again, right-click on the Start button, click Run, and type sysdm.cpl, then press Enter. The System Properties window will appear. Go to the Advanced tab, and under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the Visual Effects tab, you will see several options. Instead of letting Windows choose what's best, select Adjust for Best Performance. This will disable unnecessary animations and visual effects that consume CPU and RAM. Click Apply and then OK. This change allows your computer to focus more on performance rather than visual appearance, which helps lower resource usage and reduce heat generation. Next, we need to manage startup applications. Right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. If it opens in compact mode, click on More Details. Then go to the Startup tab. Here you will see a list of applications that automatically start when your computer boots up. Many of these applications are not essential and continue running in the background, consuming memory and CPU power. Carefully review the list and disable applications that are not necessary at startup. However, do not disable important services like graphics drivers, audio drivers, Wi-Fi, or security software. Only disable non-essential apps that you can manually open later if needed. This step alone can drastically reduce RAM, disk, and CPU usage and improve overall system performance. Another important factor is storage space. Open File Explorer and go to This PC. Check how much free space is available on your main drive, usually the C drive. If your drive is almost full and showing red, it can slow down your system significantly. For gaming or heavy tasks like video editing, you should maintain at least 25 to 50 gigabytes of free space. Free space allows Windows to use virtual memory and cache efficiently. Delete unnecessary files from downloads, documents, or other folders to ensure your drive stays in the green or blue range. More available storage directly contributes to smoother system performance. Keeping your Windows system updated is also essential. Click on the search icon and type Windows Update, then open Windows Update Settings and click Check for Updates. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and driver updates that can resolve high CPU or disk usage problems. Along with updating Windows, you should also configure your power plan properly. In the search bar, type Power Plan and select Choose a Power Plan. From there, select Balanced or High Performance depending on your needs. If High Performance or Ultimate Performance is not visible, you can create a new power plan and select it. This ensures your system prioritizes performance when needed. Now let's clean unnecessary cache and temporary files. Right-click on Start, click Run, type cleanmg, and press Enter. Select your C drive and allow it to calculate space. Check all the boxes for temporary files and system cache, then click OK to delete them. In many systems, this can free several gigabytes of junk data. After that, open Run again and type temp, press Enter, select all files and delete them using Shift-Delete. Repeat the process by typing %temp% in the Run dialog box. Again, select all files and delete them. Some files may not delete because they are currently in use, and that is completely normal. Removing these junk files reduces unnecessary disk activity and helps your system run more efficiently. Once all these steps are completed, it is very important to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all changes take effect properly and resets background services. After the restart, open Task Manager again and go to the Performance tab. Observe your CPU, memory, and disk usage. You should notice significant improvement compared to before. Finally, run a full system scan using Windows Security. Click on the shield icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, click on Scan Options, and select Full Scan. Then click Scan Now. This process may take more than an hour depending on your storage size, but it thoroughly checks your system for malware or harmful files that could be consuming resources in the background. It is a good practice to perform a full scan at least once a month to ensure your system remains secure and optimized. After the scan is completed, restart your computer again for best results. By following all these simple steps, you can significantly reduce high CPU usage, high memory consumption, and 100% disk usage without opening your laptop and without installing any third-party tools. These built-in troubleshooting methods optimize your Windows system, reduce unnecessary load, and help control overheating caused by excessive resource usage. Try these steps and monitor your system performance in Task Manager. You should see lower usage, smoother performance, and reduced heat. If this guide helped you, make sure to share your experience and notice the difference in your computer's speed and stability.